Have you ever wondered how a drone can take off vertically like a helicopter and then cruise like an airplane? Fixed-wing VTOL drones do exactly that, and they're changing the game in aerial operations. Today we're breaking down how they work, why they matter, and what makes them different from other drone types. Let's start with the basics. VTOL stands for vertical takeoff and landing. In traditional fixed-wing aircraft, you need a runway or a launch system, not with VTOL drones. These aircraft combine the best of both worlds: vertical takeoff and landing, like a multi-rotor, and long-range, energy-efficient cruising like a fixed-wing plane. So, how do they do it? A fixed-wing VTOL drone is usually equipped with multiple rotors for vertical lift, plus a main propulsion system, like a rear or nose-mounted motor that enables forward flight. Here's the key. The drone transitions from hover to forward flight mid-air. It lifts off using its vertical rotors, then tilts or shifts power to its main wing-based propulsion system. Once in horizontal flight, the lift comes from the wings, just like an airplane. Why does this matter? Because fixed-wing VTOL drones are uniquely suited for long-duration, large-area missions without the limitations of a runway. This translates into faster deployment in remote or confined areas, longer endurance and range compared to multi-rotor drones, higher efficiency in energy use, enabling longer missions with heavier payloads, and precise vertical landings, even in difficult terrain. They're ideal for missions like border surveillance, environmental monitoring, infrastructure inspection, and more, especially when you need the drone to go far, stay in the air longer, and still land safely. VTOL drones are just one example of how UAV technology is reshaping what's possible in the skies.